Every time they keep saying we have numbers, every time saying we are capable of doing ABCD. But when the true time comes, because the president has been very patient, he has been very patient with everybody. He has an agenda for this country. He has been trying to move this country with Agenda 4, with the Big Four. The same people who are in the same party are just every day fighting everything that the president wants to do and wants to talk about. The president told us, please serve your people for now. When politics comes in 2022, this public are the ones who will elect you after you have done your work. Number 3, when the president came together with the opposition leader, Raila Odinga, to have handshake and to try and bring Kenyans together. The same people who are from his party are the ones who are derailing that agenda of bringing Kenyans together. That is why I'm saying the president has been patient. He's been trying to do things here and there for Kenyans. But at the same time, it is the people in your party who are pulling you back. And so it is right, in his own right, for him to crack the whip.
Tunashukuru President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kwa kuamua kuhakikisha chama ndio serikali. Sababu ile maneno alifanya kupandilisha sile mafiti ni muhimu sana. Kwa hiyo ndio kila mtu akiwa mwanasiasa, akiwa amechaguliwa kwa chama yote amechaguliwa, ajue chama ina nguvu, chama ndio imekufanya uingie hapo. Kwa hivyo kile president amefanya ni muhimu sana. Na wale wajajua chama iko na nguvu ama chama ndio imekuweka hapo, hata kama umechaguliwa, wanafaa wapelekwe training, waanze kujua chama ni nini.